Peppa Pig says, come along, let's learn months with a happy song. George says, Dino too, sing the months with me and you. January snow goes plop,
Peppa slips,
February cold and sweet,
hearts and hugs and yummies.
March begins the springtime cheer, flowers wake, spring is here. April rain goes drip, drop, drop,
Jump in puddles, splash and hop.
months of the year, sing with me, fun and silly as can be. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, learning months is such a treat.
May has flowers everywhere, Peppa smells them in the air.
June is sunny, warm and bright,
Picnic time,
what a delight.
giving light. July holidays are here, swimming, laughing, lots of cheer. August fun, all day long, dancing to a summer song.
Months of the year, shout hooray, let's all sing and laugh and play. Round and round the months we go, learning fast and learning slow. September, school time starts.
Books and bags and happy hearts.
October, spooky fun, costumes, candy.
Run, run, run.
November, chilly breeze, family time and falling leaves.
December,
Winter cheer,
happy holidays.
the end is near. Peppa laughs.
We learned them all,
George says, again.
big and small, all the months from start to end. Sing again with every friend.